Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Take It, your boy Lucky, and today we're going to check out the Apple HomeKit. As you know, this is Apple's smart speaker. It retails for $280 now. It used to be $320 when it came out, but now it's on sale. You can easily pick it up for $280, even less. Some places you can pick it up for $250, which is really great. I'll see if I can find any links and I'll leave it in the description, guys. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, leave a like. But let's begin with the video. So guys, this is the box itself. As you can see, mine did come in a bit damaged. As you can see right here and here. But yeah, that's just due to the transportation. But yeah, let's open this up, guys. So it did come in a plastic too, but I'll peel that off. But yeah, let's open it up. And there it is. You've got the HomePod and the space grey black finish. See, it looks very nice. Let's get all the cable out and see what else we've got inside. Oh, it's pretty heavy, guys. You have to be aware of that. So inside we've just got this little round thing here. Put the box to the side. So inside, guys, we've got a little booklet leaflet. So we've got instruction on how to set it up. So you've got all the details and everything and how it goes through. See, that's fine, nothing much there. We've got a single Apple sticker, so that's nice always then. And you just got some more paperworks, which we don't need. So let's put this away and let's have a look at the HomePod itself. So it's pretty heavy, I have to say that. As you can see, it's very nice, and we've got this glass top finish here, glass bit, where we've got some screen and some volume rockers, touch sensitive buttons, which is always nice to see. But yeah, that looks pretty nice, guys, I have to say. So yeah, guys, the speaker itself weighs 2.5 kilos, so that's 2.5 kilo. The height is 172 millimeters with a width of 142. So it's pretty big. You have to know that it's not as small as the Google Homes, anything like that. On my Sony speakers, it's quite bigger and chunkier, and for the price it feels really premium, guys. So we've got, I think we've got 6 microphones up here, array of 6 microphones, so you can pick up your voice anywhere where you are in the house or the room, so which is really nice. So inside itself we've got a woofer as well as 7 tweeters. So that's a lot, guys. You need to think of that, 7 tweeters and 1 woofer. So you're gonna get extremely loud sound. And for this heft, yes, this is gonna sound pretty loud. I've heard it in the store and it's extremely loud. I've got family who's have it and they have said it. One is amazing, pretty loud. So imagine if you got 2 in stereo mode, you can literally light up your room with sound. But yeah, guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to connect it to the power and get my phone and see how the setup goes. Okay guys, it's powered on now. As you can see, we heard the sound and we've got that white LED light. So if I open my phone, as you can see, it's already saying set up HomePod, which I can do. So let's click on that. This guy's asking where it is, so I'm going to hit Office. And if I want to use the stereo nod, so now I'm not going to hit nod. And it's saying if I want to enable personal requests, so like calendar, phones, SMS. Of course I want to do that. And yeah, transfer settings. And now it's setting up. So hopefully now it's going to be setting up here. So if I move my phone here, I'm sure this is showing up. But let's move that speaker back. Not sure how well this is showing up on the camera, but hopefully it should be good enough. So as you can see, guys, it's ready now and it's saying HomePod is ready. And I want to hit OK. And I think that's it. So let's try and ask. What's the time?
It's 13:49.
So as you can see, that works, and we did get that little color thing at the top. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the command word so it doesn't affect your Siri or your iPhone devices. But yeah. What's the weather like today?
It's currently clear and 18 degrees in Billund. Temperatures are heading down from 19 degrees this afternoon to 9 tonight.
So that's really nice and that works fine. So if you got a smart lights and stuff like that, you can control that. Right now I've got nothing set up right now. I've only got my live panel set up in the Home app. So if we go to the Home app on your phone, you should see your HomePod is now here. HomePod Office. I've got your light panels, so I've got two and I've got the living room one as well. But I haven't set up the Philips Hue light, but I'm gonna have a video on how to do that. When you do that, you can then control your Philips Hue light, but if you got any other lights, you can set it up here and you can control it. So let's try with the nano leaf. So turn off the office light panels. As you can see guys, that worked now. The room is a bit more dull because the lights have gone off, but I can turn them on as well. So turn on the office light panels. That worked fine, but I can change color as well. So change office light panels to blue. That works. Let's try with a scene. So I've got some scenes here as you can see. We can try any of them. Activate Tokyo scene.
Tokyo, coming up.
So that's activating Tokyo. I'm not sure if the blue and purple color is changing for you guys, but I'm going to show you that on the light panels. Turn off the office light panels. Turn on the office light panels. So that works fine. Let's try changing the color. So change office light panels to green. That works fine as well. And let's try a scene. So
All set.
as you can see guys, that now changed the Tokyo scene, which is really nice. So there's a lot of different great features we can do. But yeah. So yeah, as you saw, the setup was very simple and easy. With the Apple W1 chip, the powering process was just seamless and it worked very fine. So as you saw, you can ask questions, the weather, the time. If you got any smart device, you can control that as well. I'm gonna have a video on how to pair this up with the Philips Hue system, so make sure you stick around for that. I'm gonna have another video on that, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. As soon as that upload is, you will get notified if you hit that little bell icon. But yeah, there's so many things you can do guys. I'm gonna have loads of videos on this, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And yeah guys, I hope you like the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one guys. Take care.